How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your GameSir G7 Pro to your Xbox console. Unfortunately, we only have one form of connection to do this, and that's going to be a wired connection. You cannot use a wireless onto your Xbox. So the first thing that you want to do is to ensure that the controller is on the wired connection mode, mostly at the back of your controller, which will then look something like this. Basically, we have two modes, the Bluetooth and the wired connection. Just go ahead and plug your Type-C onto the controller itself. And from there, you then want to plug the other end of the USB port to the Xbox console. Right after, you want to briefly press the Xbox button on the center of your controller. And from there, it will then connect automatically. The Xbox indicator will remain solid if it is connected successfully. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.